Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Rafaqat Ali. Welcome back, dear students. Today, grade 8. The topic is about the symmetry. Symmetry means, as you know, the meaning of symmetry: divide the values in the equal sides, or you can say that if you draw the line in the center, the both sides, like the mirror sides, or both sides have the same situation. This is, you can see this diagram easily, you can understand the concept. If you draw the line here, the both sides, left side and right side, have the same situation. This is called symmetric. Asymmetric, when one side is different to the other side. If you draw the line in the center, you can see this area is bigger than this area, so this diagram is a symmetric diagram. Now you can see here in the center, if you draw the line in the center of the butterfly, both the sides same. This is symmetrical mirror image. Symmetry is having one side that exactly mirror the other side. And you can see here, this is symmetry. This all are the symmetric lines. This S is not symmetric, H is symmetric, A is symmetric, P not symmetric, E is symmetric by these lines you can see here. Which of the following has the most lines of symmetry? This line is a symmetrical line, this line is a symmetrical line, this line is a symmetrical line. How many lines are there? Symmetrical lines 3. Here we have 2 symmetrical lines. Here we have 4 symmetrical lines. So square have more symmetrical lines in this situation. These all are the line of symmetry. These are the 2 lines of symmetry. Some diagrams have 2 lines of symmetry. Some diagrams have only 1 line of symmetry. For example, if I draw a line in the center here, that cannot be the symmetric line. So these diagrams have only 1 symmetric line, as compared to these lines have more than 1 symmetrical lines. You can see here lot of symmetrical lines here in this diagram. Here 4 lines of symmetry. In the rectangle 2 lines of symmetry. In the rhombus 2 lines of symmetry. 1 line of symmetry in the kite possible only. The same isosceles trapezoid, 1 line of symmetry. In the trapezoid, no possibility of symmetrical line. So the next you can see here, is that dotted line on each shape line of symmetry right, yes or no? This is kind of quiz for you. You can check it is after drawing the line, is it symmetrical or not symmetrical? So you can write yes or no for this. The similar exercise for you can see here and solve. This is the way. Pause the diagram and write the answers, yes or no. The same situation here, you can draw this triangle, 3 sides. How many lines of symmetry possible? 1 from here, 1 from here and 1 from here. 3 possible symmetrical lines. In this way you need to draw the lines. Here I draw the lines 1, 2, 3. 3 symmetrical lines is possible here. So in this way you need to draw all the lines. Okay, now come to the exercise. The letter A has 1 line of symmetry, you can see here. The other rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry mean if this diagram move on a single point, cannot be changed. For example, you can see the fan on your ceiling doesn't change the situation or doesn't change the shape by the rotation. Now quadrilateral, square, all sides are equal, all angles, opposite sides parallel, diagonal bisects at right angle, 4 lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry of order of 4. This all things I have explained to you already, so you can read it by your book, page number 132. So you can read all these things and solve the questions. Come to the exercise. For each shape, state the number of lines of symmetry, the order of rotational symmetry. Okay, so we have already discussed all these things, this kind of shapes. So you can only solve the questions up to here you need to draw the first draw the diagram, and then you will decide it is symmetrical or not symmetrical, how many symmetrical lines are there. So I hope more than enough today, 15 questions. See you later inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.